Hi, this video series is for IGNOU MCA first semester students for the subject Programming in C and Python. In this series we will discuss the structure of the C program. Firstly, we will discuss basic structure of C. Any C program consists of 6 main sections. The sections are: first one is documentation section. The second one is link section. The third section is definition section. The fourth section is the global declaration section. The fifth one is the main function section, and the last one is the subprogram section. The next is the example of simple C program. The below is as follows. The next is how to save the C program. Save any C program using the .c extension with the file name. For example, if your program name is Hello World, then it saves with helloworld.c. Nextly, we can go through each section of the structure of C program. First one is documentation section. This section consists of comment lines that include the name of the program, the name of the programmer, the author, and other details like the time and date of writing the program. The next is link section. The link section consists of the header files of the functions that are used in the program. It provides instructions to the compiler to link functions from the system library, that is, #include directive. The next is definition section. All the symbolic constants are written in the definition section. Macros are known as symbolic constants. The next is global declaration section. The global variables that can be used anywhere in the program are declared in the global declaration section. This section also declares the user-defined functions. The next is main function section. It is necessary to have one main function section in every C program. This section contains 2 parts, declaration and executable part. The declaration part declares all the variables used in the executable part. The next is executable part. There is at least one statement in the executable part. These 2 parts must appear between the opening and closing braces. All statements in the declaration and executable part end with a semicolon. The next is subprogram section. The subprogram section contains all the user-defined functions that are used to perform a specific task. These user-defined functions are called in the main function. These are the description of the structure of the C program. The next section of the video series continued. Thank you.